What's going on, guys? I have two IKEA smart blinds, and right now they're paired to two different remotes. So if I press one, only one of them comes down, and then I have to use the second one to put the other one down. Today, I'm going to show you how to pair both blinds to one remote. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pair both remotes to this first blind on this side. So go ahead and grab that remote for that blind, which I have here, and go ahead and put both blinds up. We're going to make sure the repeater is also plugged in. So I have the IKEA repeater plugged in right there. Now we're going to remove the battery cap from this remote control. And once that battery cover has been removed, there is a learn button right here. And we're going to go to our second blind right now. And we are going to press and hold down the two buttons on the blind. So it is right here. Press and hold those, and a solid white light will come up. We'll go to the remote, press our learn button, and hold that button down for 20 seconds. You'll see it's glowing red right now, and the light on the blinds are also glowing. So when it flashes rapidly like that, you can actually just let go, and it means it's completely paired. So let's go ahead and put this blind down. Using one remote, we should be able to control both of them now. There you guys go. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please leave me a big thumbs up. Leave any comments down below. Let me know if you guys have these blinds and if you guys think it's worth it. If you do have any questions, go ahead and also leave those down below. Check out my channel for more tech videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.